Yale Center assisting Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine Phase 3 trials. Yale School of Medicine and Yale New Haven Hospital announced their participation in Phase 3 clinical trials of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. The study involves multiple trials to scientifically validate the vaccine. The vaccine is an mRNA design that uses the messenger RNA of SARS-CoV-2. Using that genetic material, the vaccine allows human cells to generate the coronavirus's spike protein. This induces antibody production without risking participants to the wild virus. Previous clinical trials showed the vaccine's efficacy in inducing antibody activity. The same trials found it to be safe for in-human use. But Phase 3 trials are required to determine the prevention of COVID-19. These trials will allow investigators to know if the vaccine works optimally in a large group of individuals. Dr. Onyema Ogbuagu, principal investigator and infectious diseases physician at YNHH said, the earlier trial phases have been very encouraging, showing that when injected, the vaccine is tolerated well and generates the appropriate immune response that has the potential to protect humans from COVID-19. According to the August 10, 2020 update by Pfizer, the vaccine follows a similar track to other candidates. Phases 1, 2, and 3 trials are all randomized, placebo-controlled, observer-blind, and dose-finding studies. Phase 1 determined the preferred vaccine candidates and optimal dose. After confirming the optimal dose, both Phase 2 and 3 investigate the efficacy, tolerability, and immune responses of participants. The cultural ambassadors of the Yale Center for Clinical Investigation play an integral role in the study. The ambassadors are ensuring that the vaccine will be assessed for efficacy for everyone. Their role diversifies the trial participants to address social inequalities, including discrimination in cultural and ethnic backgrounds. The Phase 3 trials will require nearly 30,000 volunteers. Half of them will receive the experimental vaccine and the other half will get a placebo. The study welcomes healthy adult volunteers aged 18 to 85 years. But each volunteer must be willing to comply with scheduled visits and other study procedures. However, the trial will exclude participants that do not meet the trial requirements. Those with pre-existing health conditions such as HIV, hepatitis B and C, hypertension, diabetes, and psychiatric problems within the past year are excluded. Those who have been diagnosed with COVID-19 via laboratory means are excluded as well. If the study shows early success, all participants will receive the vaccine and will be followed for 2 years.